Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Utime stock fell 16.6% on Friday. The stock seems to have found its footing after a 96% plunge. Although the stock fell again on Friday, the stock price has not yet fallen below the lowest level after the plunge. From the perspective of trading volume, the stock did encounter great resistance when it rebounded to the $0.1 position and a large amount of capital exited the market at this position. But the optimistic thing is that this position is not far from the current price, and the market has obviously maintained the stock price, so there is reason to believe that long capital has intervened in the stock. Data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock was 6.4% on August 28th, 10.6% on August 29th, and 13.5% on August 30th. This reflects that the rebound of the stock after the plunge was blocked, which led to an increase in bearish sentiment in the market, but the real situation may not be that bad. In fact, after the stock closed on August 30th, $0.1 was no longer the focus of attention. Although there was some selling at this position, the real main battlefield of the stock was at the level of 7 cents, which had a larger trading volume. If the stock price could gain a foothold at this level, the stock price would rebound. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock has experienced a roller coaster market in the past 2 trading days. When the stock price was at a relatively high level, its trading volume was also significantly enlarged, which reflected that a large amount of capital had cashed out at a high level, but the bulls seemed to have tried to block the bears. The stock began to rebound when the stock price fell to 7 cents on August 30th, which means that the bullish capital entering the market below this price gave the stock price a strong support, which is a positive signal. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the capital of the stock has been a net outflow in the past 3 days, but the optimistic thing is that the net outflow amount has gradually decreased, which is consistent with the previous analysis. Although a large amount of capital still chose to sell after the stock price plummeted, the capital flowing into the market has also increased significantly. But it may take some time for the stock price to rebound sharply, because the shorts may sell further, and it will take time for the longs to digest these chips, but we have seen that capital has intervened in the stock. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the stock has a large number of positions at the level of $0.1, but the current large number of positions of the stock are still distributed between 9 cents and 6 cents, and the current price is also in this range, which is consistent with the previous analysis. Capital intervened in the stock when the stock price was relatively low, and tried to maintain the stock price after the stock price rebound was blocked. I am currently bullish on the stock, but the shorts have handed over a large number of chips, and the longs have taken over a large number of chips. This requires a process, and there are still a large number of positions above 7 cents that have not been diluted, so the stock price may not rebound sharply in the short term, but the possibility of further decline in the stock price is not great. I think the stock may consolidate between 7 cents and $0.1 next, clearing the resistance in this area, and then it will be much easier for the stock price to rebound. For the target price, the stock's plunge has created a huge gap, and the stock price may fill this gap. The data gives the stock's resistance position at 12 cents, which I think is too low, and I set it at 50 cents. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for Utime stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.